wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best pool testing kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. The included comparator in the Valterra Blue Devil has markings to point out the ideal levels, so even if you aren't that adept at pool maintenance, you'll at least know what your goal is. It comes with detailed instructions so that even a first-timer user can figure it out. It tests for 5 chemical factors, but the case is difficult to latch closed, and the alkalinity can be difficult to see. At number 6, the pentair 2-in-1 is a basic option that tests for 2 of the most important pool water levels, chlorine and pH. Because it only includes reagents to test for these 2 properties, it's a very compact option that's easy to store almost anywhere. This one's a good choice for above-ground pools and is easy for beginners to use. However, it's not suitable for commercial use. Coming in at number 5 in our list, the Poolmaster Smart Test Strips are about as simple as it gets. Simply dip one of them into your water and match them up with the colors on the bottle for an instant measurement of 6 chemical factors. They come in a waterproof container with a simple pop-top opening. They're also suitable for spas. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool testing kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, there's actually nothing that basic about the so-called Poolmaster Basic Collection. Unless your pool or spa requires some specialized custom testing, a rarity for most homes, this kit is all you'll need, and it comes in at a budget-friendly price. It tests for 5 major components, and the large numbers make it easy to read. It comes with enough chemicals to last for years. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Taylor Technologies Complete comes with a very helpful pamphlet that contains a lot of useful information about pool maintenance and sanitation. It uses FAS-DPD powder that allows you to measure chlorine levels in 0.2 or 0.5 parts per million increments. This one can be used in saltwater pools and tests for free and combined chlorine. It's more accurate than liquid reagents. At number 2, if the thought of dealing with a bunch of messy test chemicals seems like a headache you'd rather avoid, the aquachek 7-way might be the answer you're looking for. It's a pack of 100 test strips that use colors to indicate your water's chemical composition. It features a color chart on the bottle, and results appear in 15 seconds. It's great value for the number of strips. And taking the top spot on our list, Lamar Color Cue Pro 7 is a Cadillac-level pool testing system with a digital display that removes any guesswork or color matching. It's sufficient for schools, hotels, or public pools, and certainly more than adequate for home use. It produces highly accurate results and a complete water test. It comes with a water-resistant case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool testing kits, or simply click beneath this video.